Hello, this is Louie, and I just got a box from the mail. I don't know. I know that's not my, but usually gives me stuff on Amazon because I can't find it to Amazon. This is spices. Let's see what this is. It's a card. So good you say no way. No way food. Yeah, because I can't have any. Okay, we don't need to worry about it. But got the bubble wrap. And ooh. We got these. The chocolate candies. We have 3 of them. Then the ones I had before are the peanut butters. With the cocoa no nuts, these are peanut butter. Yeah, we did not get those the last time. We only had the peanut butter. So there's 3 of each. We also have one of these. Oh, no tricks. No tricks. Are these like Twix but no nuts?
Yeah.
I know these looks like Reese's.
Those are the ones you picked out. Oh.
And these almost like Smarties / M&Ms. Let's 3 of each one. And finally, speaking of no way, we actually got these green no ways. We have 3 of these, and oh my goodness. That's gonna last me a while. Okay. And these chocolate has to go to the fridge.
Not that I know.
Because we don't want them to melt.
They shouldn't melt.
I remember you put those peanut butters in in that fridge.
But you want to put those somewhere where it goes, not that.
Ew.
Get them.
Sorry about that.
No, you're fine.
Well, that's
You
it.
can go stick them out. Take them out in the patio and put them in there if you want.
I can choose one of them?
Yeah.
I'm definitely going to choose this one.
There you go. You love them?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Guys, that's all I have to unbox.
Yep, I went ahead.
But I did. But tomorrow, in the morning, I will go back to record for day 3 of the Happy Calendar. Peace out.